Hi there, my name is Anne Marrott and I'm the founder of Women Connect. I just wanted to take this time to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed to this amazing platform that gives such value and empowers. The aim of it is to empower a woman. So I wanted to take a moment to go through the site with you if you haven't seen it already. Over here, if you're a member, you can use this to log in, and I'll show you that a bit later. Let's have a look at the site. So here you have your intro video telling you about what we stand for as Women Connect. And it's an elite membership program that's connecting women with women, and we connect you with the women who have the same goals, and we give you the tools to empower you in body, mind and spirit, because we believe in your power as a woman and the power of women working together to bring change to the world. And here we have information on the membership site and how it works. So December was your last 3-month trial period, as from January you'll be paying for this subscription, but it will be well worth the amount that you're paying. We released our magazine on the 15th of December, free for members, and $3.99 for non-members. Here we have all the industries that are included in our membership site. As you can see, there are a huge amount of industries. And here we have our inner circle panelists. There are 18 professional women from all over the world that are providing content for our members, and the content is of such high value, and they are incredible women. Here are some videos to introduce some of the panelists, and we'll be increasing on that in the new year. Now we're going to go back up to our login, and I'm going to take you through the membership site to show you the amazing value that we have in this site. Before I show you how to log in, I'd like to show you how you become a member. So you'll see these little buttons that are moving up and down. You simply click on the button and it'll bring up your form. You still have until the 31st of December to have this membership for free. And in January, you'll be paying $37 a month, and it's well worth it, as I've said. So you complete your name here, and all your details tell us how you found it, and explain other if your choice over here is other. Okay, then you can just explain this to us and then complete the form. Once you have submitted, you'll go to the section where it says it's free until the 30th of December. On the 31st, we'll be setting up the payment system. Once you've completed your details and you've clicked on the button, you will come to create your account. Once you've completed all of that, you'll go into the membership area. Next time you log in, you will have a different login details. As you've seen, I'm going to log into the account now. When you're ready to log in, you simply click on the login button, and it will take you to an area where, if you have already logged in, your details should be in, and it's much easier if you just save it and then simply click on the login to the account, and you'll go through to the membership. Here is an explainer video to explain the differences between viewing the site on mobile and on desktop and what to expect. All the way down this side here, we have all of the industries that you can benefit from. And here we show you our different panelists that are the contributors of all the information, and you can download for free our magazines. You can also take a 3-minute survey, and you can download your badges. Right, so let's take a look inside the actual content of these sites. Over here we have a contributors page. It's a notice board, and it's under self-discovery and development. Here you have 2 contributors, Gina Best and Kate Treadmills. And on each section you'll find the contribution for each month, and the different months will remain on the site for all newcomers, so you will benefit from every month, even if you start only in January. Here you have Gina Best, and she has given her workshop on finding your why. And then we have Kate, who has given information that is very powerful through an interview. And then Gina has supplied another course, online course with the workbook of 60 pages, an amazing workshop for you, all free for the members. Over here we have videography, a free course on what to do in front of the camera by Naomi Estmans. And she's also offering a 50% discount for all members for this amazing masterclass, which is free, but you can follow her course for this price with a 50% off. And then you have workshops where Neonal, our famous and well-known singer and songwriter, is providing her content of relationships, a very important aspect of all of our lives, and you can learn so much from this 4-hour relationship course. And then you have numerology. You can make an appointment with Aldi, who is one of the Inner Circle panelists who does numerology, and she takes you through, all for free, the different steps involved. Creating a product, here you can see that all the videos will come in month after month on how to create your own digital product. And there's so much more that's in here. Under health and eating, we have so many good recipes by our Inner Circle member Bernice, and we also have Christmas cake treats recipes. So as you can see, psychology, we have Asha Dulab, who is giving us her private Let's Connect webinar access, and also her 15-minute secrets under healthy eating here for you to get your meals sorted out. And let's go back to Asha again. Asha is giving her short interviews by SABC every morning, Monday morning. And for those of you who don't know it's happening and also don't access it. So you can see there are lots of different things happening in each of these segments. You have relaxation, you have meditation, you have things on cancer and a personal journey by Liesl Campbell. And you can see there's so much more that you can learn in this safe place called our Women Connect membership. And I hope you'll be joining us in the coming year to enjoy all of this value and more, and we're growing. So this is a moment that you must think about for when you're setting your goals and for your future, your year coming 2021. Bye for now.